everyone, welcome back to the English Podcast. I'm Leo the Lion, your English buddy for the day.
And I'm Kitty the cat. Meow! Today, we're super hungry and we're going to the restaurant.
Yep, we'll learn how to order food, talk to a waiter, and understand menus, all in simple English.
So if you love eating and learning English, this episode is for you. Let's go, Leo. I can already smell the fries.
Wow, this place looks cozy.
Yeah, there's even soft music playing. I love restaurants with good vibes.
Me too. Okay, when you enter a restaurant, the waiter usually says something like, "Good afternoon. How many people?"
And you can answer, "Table for two, please."
Exactly. Let's try it. Good afternoon. How many people?
Table for two, please. And maybe a table near the window.
Nice. That's polite English. You can add small requests like near the window or away from the door.
What should I eat? There are so many choices.
Yeah, I see burgers, salads, sandwiches, and drinks. Oh, and they have a special of the day.
What does that mean, Leo?
Good question. Special of the day means the dish the restaurant recommends. It usually changes every day.
Oh, I see. Then I'll take the special. What about you?
I think I'll get a cheeseburger. You know me, I'm a lion. I love meat. Roars softly and laughs.
Typical Leo. And I'll get something lighter. Maybe a tuna sandwich.
Okay, time to order. When the waiter comes, we can say, "We're ready to order."
Or, if you need more time, you can say, "Could we have a few more minutes, please?"
That's polite and sounds natural. Let's order now. Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the tuna sandwich and a glass of orange juice, please.
And I'll have the cheeseburger with fries and a cola. Great. Anything else?
Oh, can I have extra ketchup, please?
Nice one, Kitty. Can I have is a common and polite way to ask for something.
And if you want to sound extra polite, you can say, "Could I have," instead.
Perfect. See, learning English is delicious.
Waiting for food always feels like forever.
Tell me about it. That's why restaurants play music, to make the wait feel shorter.
Hey, Leo, how do you say when you're really hungry in English?
Oh, you can say, "I'm starving." It means you're very hungry.
Haha, I'm starving too, but not enough to eat your burger. Teasing tone.
Don't even think about it.
Waiter, here's your food. 1 cheeseburger with fries and 1 tuna sandwich with orange juice.
Wow, that looks amazing. Yeah. Okay, now this is a great time to say thank you or thank you very much.
Or you can say, "Everything looks delicious."
Exactly. Being polite makes the waiter happy.
This sandwich is perfect.
My burger's great too. You know, when something tastes good, you can say, "This is delicious." "It's so tasty." Or, "I love it."
And if it's bad, you can say, "It's too salty," or "It's a bit cold."
Good vocabulary, Kitty. You're getting better every episode.
Haha, I learn from the best, Leo.
I'm full. How do we ask for the bill?
Easy. You can say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
Wait, what's the difference between bill and check? Good question. Bill is common in British English and check is used in American English.
Oh, that's useful. I'll remember that.
And when the waiter brings it, you can say, "Thank you. We'll pay by card." Or, "We'll pay in cash."
I'm a cat. I only pay with tuna coins.
That's not a real thing, Kitty. Okay, everyone, before we leave the restaurant, let's do a quick recap.
Here are some useful English phrases you learned today. 1. Table for two, please. 2. We're ready to order. 3. Could I have? 4. I'm starving. 5. This is delicious. 6. Could we have the bill, please?
Nicely done.
And remember, practice these phrases when you go to a restaurant. Don't be shy to speak English.
That's right. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Okay, friends, that's all for today's episode of The English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning English with us and maybe got a bit hungry too.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order in a restaurant? Both. See you next time on the English Podcast. Bye.